The W is for walking. We're finally beginning to move. Presence is about taking up space. So we're going to use walking to take up space in the stage and on the stage. You want to develop the mindset. This stage is mine. It's mine. Every single inch of this is mine to use so that I can connect with more of the audience more often. Let's talk now about how to walk on stage. Here is how you don't want to walk. You ready? Okay, I go over here and I talk to the audience, and this is really important. I'm talking to the audience over here. I'm done. Now I walk over here. I come over here and I talk to the audience. I'm out of breath. This is really important. Got to keep moving. Come over here and I keep walking over here. Talk to the audience over here. Come back over here. Okay. That's called the cage lion for obvious reason. I think you get the feeling of a lion in a cage, or maybe a tennis match, back and forth. This is what you don't want to do. It makes the audience so nervous when you do that. And you don't want a nervous audience, you want an audience that can trust you. So slow down. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson from my 2017 e-course. Today, I still teach groups and leaders how to present well. If that's you, if you really need to know how to present well, reach out. I'd love to help.